guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm here at Kiehls Opening store here at Ayala Center, Cebu, and I'm super excited to know their essential oils. And you know naman when it comes to Kiehls, maganda sila sa when it comes sa skincare. So I'm super excited kasi nandito na sila sa Cebu, and then what's good is that they're located at the level 1 sa new wing sa Ayala Center, Cebu. So we're going to check it out. We're going to listen everything that they're going to say about Kiehls, and I'm super excited.
Mr. and Mrs. Brian Lim, who will also be doing the ribbon cutting.
Since then, the brand has made a name as a fuss-free yet highly efficacious skincare brand throughout the world. At Kiehls, we believe that customers should always be at the center. So because of this, every brand decision, from product development, from sampling down to customer service, and even to the store design, keeps the customer in mind.
We'll also share with you what exactly Kiehls is all about having healthy skin. In Kiehls, it's so important for all of our customers to experience what healthy skin is. Regardless of when you come in the day, you can always come for a healthy skin check. Get these 5 samples, which are complimentary. And we always say, we want you to try before you buy. Is your summer routine enough? So this is something a bit more relevant to how we want to share with you what products are our key products, especially right now. Our first tip, of course, which will target acne, oily skin and acne breakouts, is to use a gentle daily cleanser day and night to make sure your skin remains clean but not dehydrated. So again, this is what we're saying, not to overstrip your skin, but instead use a gentle cleanser. So we recommend for this the Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. But again, it doesn't strip your skin. So what it actually gives you is a squeaky clean feel without stripping your skin of moisture. Next, we go on to tip number 2. So for oily skin, you have to prep your skin with a toner for faster skincare absorption. So a lot of people don't really know what toners are for. That's why toners are not really being used so often, right? So what we say is that whenever you use a toner, the reason behind this is that it actually just preps you for using the rest of your skincare. Without the toner, your skincare actually becomes less effective. So what we recommend for this is the Calendula alcohol-free toner. So it's designed to soothe and balance the skin as it removes any remaining impurities. Also, it contains hand-picked calendula petals and calendula extract, and it's proven to make your skincare absorb faster. Now, tip number 3 is to use a vitamin C serum to brighten your skin and to reduce the dark spots and freckles. So this one actually can target dark spots and also helps you get rid of those post-acne marks. So our recommendation for this is the Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. So it's fast action, deep correction to have breakthrough clarity. So it diminishes the appearance of dark spots, which include also post-acne marks. And of course, we're recommending to use this year-round. So it's silicone-free, paraben-free. It has no fragrance, no colorants, and it has no optical diffusers. So we have two kinds of moisturizers. One is a cream type. One is the gel type. So cream types are supposed to be used for people with dry skin. Gel types are supposed to be used for people who have oily skin. So what we recommend, especially given that it's summer right now, it's really, really hot outside, is to use a gel moisturizer. So the Ultra-Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream is a non-greasy hydrator that retains essential moisture in the skin for a healthier, rebalanced skin barrier. So it's a gel cream texture and it's easily absorbed, leaving a dry feel. So our tip number 5 is to always use a sunscreen during the daytime, even if you're just indoors. So why is that? Why is that something that we always say? It's because UV, the sun's rays, is composed of 2 kinds of UV, so UVA and UVB. So at Easy Mnemonic, I always tell everyone, learning about sunscreen for the very first time, is UVA stands for UV aging. So UVA is what causes you to have premature aging. UVB causes UV burning. So what do you get when you step out of the sun? Sunburn is caused by UVB, but UVA is what we actually should be even more afraid of, because no one wants to look older than they are, right? So if you use a proper sunscreen, for example, like the Ultralight Daily UV Defense, it contains SPF 50, and it also says PA++++. We all understand what SPF means. It's sun protection factor. That's what keeps you from burning. It's basically the sunscreen that protects you from getting burnt. But the PA quadruple plus, we call this long range UVA resistance. So it also blocks these UVA rays from penetrating your skin and causing you to form these premature lines, fine lines and wrinkles. So you have to look for a high SPF and also PA. So sometimes you'll see there are some products that have SPF PA+, PA++, PA++. The highest in the market is actually quadruple plus. So you try looking for that. And of course, SPF, try looking for something that's SPF 50. So we do have a full range of sunscreens right now in Kiehls. We have 4 that are recommended for city use and 1 that's recommended for beach or outdoor use. So why do we say that there are different kinds of sunscreens that depends on what your activity is?
We have started renovating our Kiehls stores across all countries, and so far we have already renovated 300 doors and growing. So we are super proud that we have upgraded our stores to this look. So we are excited for you to come inside the store later.
So guys, I'm here right now sa salon. Dagan kasi mga skincare products as they have mentioned sa ganina. So, naako ron sa ilang mga katong mag-test. So, si Madam, mag-test first. So, what are you going to do with her?
I'm going to have a healthy skin check.
So, matanaw ko nito.
Sige, Mom. What about you, Mom? You wanna have also, we have Yan. Okay, Yan. Later na lang, Mom. So, I'm Sha, Mom. You're really here for today. So, how did you know about Kiehls, Mom?
I passed by here
Guys, sila dark spots, clearly corrected dark spot solution, which I really need. And then what I'm super excited about their products, guys, is their moisturizer. And treatment water. Ito, super nice. Yung ano nila, sunscreen, which is SPF 50 high protection anti-pollution. Grabe na to ah. Meron din silang mineral sunscreen, daily UV defense, light formula. Guys, meron silang eye-opening serum. Oh my god. Ito. Ano siya? Super multi-corrective eye-opening serum. I was looking for their serums, guys. Line reducing. Meron silang line reducing.
kaming pagkain.
Thank you, Ate. Hi, welcome to the vlog. She's very generous, guys.
Okay.
Daily reviving concentrate. I don't know how to use this one, but sige, focus. Ito, a revitalizing blend of ginger root, sunflower, and tamona oils to help correct invisible appearance. You are regular user po sa user ng Kiehls na product. And then, now just now lang.
First time, yeah.
Ah,
The first time, yeah. Yeah, we're from California.
wow.
We're just trying to visit here. No, I'm from Cebu. I'm Cebuano too.
Balikbayan.
No, long time.
Enjoy po your vacation
Yeah,
here.
we did.